Hello,
Hi,
what is your name?
my name is Jashmita. What's your name?
I am Hanisha. It is nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
What class do you study in?
I study in 6th class.
What school do you go to?
I go to Delhi Public School.
Where do you come from?
I come from TK Street.
Okay,
What do you do?
I am a teacher at a school.
What subject do you teach?
I teach English.
Oh, great.
Yes. Oh, okay, Jashmita. I have to leave now. Bye.
Okay,
See you
bye.
tomorrow.
Okay, bye. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Jashmita.
How are you doing today?
I am doing great. How are you?
I'm good, teacher.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I did.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate dosa for breakfast. What about you?
I didn't eat today.
Why didn't you eat today?
I didn't have time to eat. By the way, do you have school tomorrow?
No, we didn't have school on Saturdays.
Then what will you do tomorrow?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Do you have school on Saturdays?
No, I don't have school too. Will you come to my home tomorrow?
Um, I'm sorry I can't come because I'm not feeling well.
Then when will you come?
Maybe next week.
It's okay.
Bye, teacher. See you on Monday.
Bye. Hi, Jeshu.
Hi, honey.
How are you?
Not good.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What's the matter?
I have a sore throat and cough.
How long have you had the sore throat?
I have had this for last 3 days.
Oh, did you go see the doctor?
No, I didn't.
At least are you taking any medications?
Yes, and also I am dissolving Strepsils.
Okay. Are you gargling with salt water?
No.
Gargling with salt water can relieve throat pain.
Okay, I will do that. And thanks for your advice.
Don't mention it, dear.
Will you come again tomorrow?
Yes, sure. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, Jeshu, how are you feeling today?
Better.
I'm happy to hear that.
But I still have cough.
Don't worry, it will go away on its own.
I think so.
By the way, will you go to school tomorrow?
If I feel better, I will go.
I hope you feel better.
I hope so.
Oh, bye.
Bye. Hi, honey.
Hi, sweetie. Take a seat. Would you like to have some popcorn?
Yes, please.
Wow,
Delicious. Who made this?
I made it on my own.
Wow, great.
Hi, Jeshu.
Oh, hi, honey.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine too.
Come on, take a seat.
Thank you. What are you doing?
I'm doing my homework.
Do you do your homework regularly?
Yes, I do.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
Oh, why do you wake up early?
I wake up early to read my lessons.
Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning?
No, I don't drink coffee or tea, but I drink milk.
Okay. What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 8:30.
Then what time do you get home?
I get home around 5 p.m.
Oh. Then when do you watch TV?
I watch TV after dinner.
What do you usually have for dinner?
I usually have chapati for dinner.
Okay. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 9.
Do you brush your teeth before going to bed?
Yes, I always brush my teeth before going to bed. What about you? What is your day like?
Well, I usually wake up at 6:30, but I get up at 7 a.m. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I go to the park for a walk and come back home after an hour. Then I drink a cup of coffee and I take a shower and get dressed. After that, I have breakfast and I get ready. I leave for work at 8 o'clock. I start working at 9 a.m. and I finish at 5 p.m. I get home around 6 o'clock. Then I freshen up and have dinner with my family. After dinner, I watch TV for an hour. Then I go to bed around 10 p.m.
What about weekends?
I don't work on weekends. I stay at home and hang out with my family. What do you do on weekends?
I go to park with my friends.
Okay. Okay, Jashmita. See you later.
Bye.
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 It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Hey, when did you buy this dress?
I bought it last month.
Where did you buy it?
I bought it on Myntra.
Okay. How much is it?
It is 500 rupees.
Okay.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it so much.
Hey, why are you yarning?
I'm sleepy now.
Didn't you sleep well last night?
No, I didn't. I stayed up until 12 o'clock.
Really? What were you doing then?
I was reading my lessons.
When did you wake up?
I woke up at 5 o'clock.
Wow, you are studying hard.
I don't think so.
Hey, Jashu, why are you so sad?
I lost my English textbook in school.
When did you lose it?
I lost it yesterday.
Did you check in your classroom?
Yes, I checked everywhere.
Did you inform your class teacher?
No, I didn't.
Inform your class teacher today.
Okay, I'll inform her today.
Come on, cheer up. You will find your book today.